Hello everyone, welcome to my video, which is a tutorial with Ayanz. In this video, I will give you a tutorial on how to add cinematic bars to your video just by using Premiere Pro. By the way, I'm using the Premiere Pro CC 2020 in this video. Let's get started right now. Okay, the first thing you have to do is prepare your video. After that, open the Premiere Pro application and click on New Project. Drag and drop your video into your timeline. Alright, second, you right click on your project menu, click on New Items and select Adjustment Layer. Drag and drop the adjustment layer to your timeline. You set it according to the duration of your video. Third, find the Effects menu and type Crop. Drag and drop Crop Effect to the adjustment layer in your timeline. After that, go to the Effect control in this section. Set the crop effect to the top and bottom according to what you want. For example, I use 20 or you can use 10. And finally, you have successfully completed the tutorial from me. Alright guys, that's all the tutorial from me. Good luck and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye! Goodbye guys.